Aren't they better than the ones you buy in the bag? Look at that. Let's try it. Going to be a beautiful, tasty slider. Mmm. Mmm. Today we're going to be making for you a quick dinner roll recipe. It's so fast, so easy. I have 2.5 cups of warm water. It is about, and I always spill it, it is about 110 degrees. 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast in here. I'm going to mix this a little bit. And then I'm going to be adding 8 tablespoons of butter. I like to just coat my pan a little bit. That way I don't have to do it later. Now we have our 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Half a cup of sugar. My measuring device here is 1/4 cup. And so we'll add 2. 30 seconds or so. This is really easy. Now I'm going to be adding 7 cups of all-purpose flour. So here we go. And 7. Let's go ahead and add our egg in there right now. First I wanted to just quickly mix it, make sure it's mixing well. It's going to gather together very well. It's going to be a little bit stickier than normal dough anyway. Once it starts mixing well, once it's finished, I'm going to let it knead for 10 minutes. And see quickly, look how the dough mixed together. If you want, you can scrape it too a little bit, even though it's going to pick up on its own. Now I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll add my 2 teaspoons of salt, and we'll leave it for another 5. Look at that, beautiful. See how easy, how quick it is? I mentioned I had it kneading for 5 minutes. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt here. Let it knead for another 5. So it's been 10 minutes. See what I mentioned? It's just a little sticky. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of oil. I like to use the olive oil. See how it is? It's sticky, don't worry. And if you're not using glove and you're using just your hands, you can put a little oil on your hands, then it won't stick. Coat it well. We're going to cover it. Now we have our towels here, cheesecloths. We'll set it on the side for 45 minutes. So we want it to double in size. So it's been 45 minutes. Let's see how they look. Oh, that's nice. That's very, very nice. It's we're gonna have 1 3/4 ounces or about 50 grams of dough. Let's continue here. Again, we need right around 1 3/4 ounces here. We're gonna need a little one. Again, you can go like this. You can use this method too if you like. This is a good method as well, whichever method works for you. Now, I'm pretty much almost done. It was like literally like perfect. Again, you know, 1.75, 1.8 ounces, 55 grams, it's fine. But I want to show you, like here, I grabbed one. If you don't want to do it like certain my way, see how the bottom is like this? So just hold it like this with your hand, kinda, and just pinch the bottom. And while you're turning it, see? It's almost smooth on top. Now, you can go a little bit like this on your hand, or you can go like this. And there, beautiful. I'll show you one more. Again, first just start tucking it in like this with your own hands, kind of. If you want to just let it rest in the left hand, or, you know, if you're a lefty, you do it the other way. And, but anyway, so here we go. See, I'm just pinching the bottom, just like this. See, it'll become almost like a dumpling. Look at that. Beautiful. Even if I didn't do anything to it, it's ready. It's good. I'll time it for a half hour this time, just to make sure. And at 20, actually, I'll time it for 20 minutes so I can preheat my oven at 350. They're beautifully ready. We'll cover them up, put them over there, and we'll let you know how it goes in a half hour. Don't forget to subscribe. They've been about 40 minutes. Look at those beautiful dinner rolls. Let's put them in the oven for 25 minutes. Put them in center rack. Can't wait to taste them. They've been for 25 minutes. Let's check them out. Oh, look at those. MashaAllah. Aren't they better than the ones you buy in the bag? Look at that. Okay, let's try it. That's going to be a beautiful, tasty slider. The 25-minute timing was excellent. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, try it, and let me know how it turns out with you. Until next time, you take care. Bye-bye.